Hey, thanks for clicking onto my video. This video is going to show you how I preserve my wash and go hairstyle. Right now I'm taking out my bobby pins. And what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be grabbing 6 of my Goody bands. They have no like wire or anything inside, but they are like elastic and they're very stretchy. So I'll be using 6 of those, and I'm going to form 6 sections. 3 on each side. And I use only water to help stretch out my curls. I stay away from the end of my curls because I want to preserve my curls at the end. But I do stretch them to give me some room to put my bands on. But I do not bring the band all the way down my hair, just enough to stretch as much as I can. Then I do it again on another section. You don't have to apply a lot of water. I literally only spritz like 1 spray on the palm of my hands just to help elongate my curls. This is a very simple hairstyle for us girls who don't have long curls yet, and to help make this style last as long as you can without having to do your hair every day. It gets very frustrating and you don't want to use up all your products, and it can be very stressful, and it took me a long time to get to where I am right now. I'm going 18 months on being natural. It is frustrating at times. That's normal. Sometimes you just want to give up. Sometimes you feel like you're doing it wrong. Your hair's not growing, but you just have to keep faith and make the most out of what you've got, you know? And the more positive you are, I feel like the more you see your results. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I spritz about 1 thing of water on the palm of my hands. I apply that to my curls. I stray away from the end of my curls because I want to preserve the curls at the end. And I just place the band farther down my hair, and I am stretching my hair as I place the band. And sometimes I stretch the curls at the end to get as much length as I can throughout my hair. And I don't know about you, but the back of my hair is the most shrunken, so it's hard to get as much length out of it when I'm putting my band on. But I at least place something there, because if I don't, it's going to be attached to my scalp if I don't. But all right, I have 6 sections here, and this style lasts me about at least 5 days without getting that dry, scaly, neglected look. And this is supposedly an extra large bonnet, but clearly I had to cut the sides to cover my big head. And I'm just taking my earrings out, and I'm going night night. This is the next morning. Tired. Ooh, where my hair at? Where is my hair? Look at that. Anyways, I'm going to take the bands out of my hair. I just try not to pull them out because I don't want to disturb my curl pattern at all. So I'm just taking those out. And some people use oils or gels or creams to take out their bands and stuff, but I've done that in the past, and what it really did was just dry my hair out. I don't know why, but I stray away from putting anything on my hand. So I'm just going to fast forward, because what I'm doing now is just fluffing. Fluff, fluff, fluff. That's like the most time consuming thing when it comes to preserving this hairstyle, this wash and go of mine. You just fluff, fluff. You can't get enough fluffing. There's never too much fluffing. But you want to create volume, so you just fluff, 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 fluff. Some people use a comb, or a pick but I really am cautious about preserving my curls, so I just feel like using my fingers is the most safest way to do that. And right now I'm going to apply some argan oil gel, eco style gel. This is only like $2.99 a container. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. And I'm just smoothing out the front of my hair to create a hairstyle. I'm just going to use that with a bobby pin on each side. But this gel is my favorite. It's so moisturizing. It's got hold, but not too much hold. And it mixes a lot. It mixes well with a lot of products that I have in my cabinet. So I would highly recommend the Argan Oil Eco Style Gel. It's perfect. It's my favorite gel. Shout out to Eco Style because that is an amazing gel. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Not too fancy, not too complicated. I feel like putting 2 bobby pins in the front of my hair creates this illusion of having more curls than I do have. Maybe it's just me, but this is my go-to style when it comes to my wash and goes. And I'm just going to fluff some more. Fluff, fluff, fast forward. You need to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I would greatly appreciate it for more videos on my wash and go and my natural hair journey. Yeah, this lasts me about 4 or 5 days. Then it's time to wash. And then I'm going to place some earrings in my hair or in my ears. Sorry, y'all. So I don't look like a 10-year-old walking around. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.